Apron Records x Nike Air Max 180. VORTEX 2025. The Dark Atomic Teal and Off Noir colorway of the Apron Records x Nike Air 180 collaboration offers a unique sneaker that combines elegance and innovation in a novel way. To retain the shoe's adaptability and attractiveness, the Off Noir components provide a more understated, classic appearance, while the Dark Atomic Teal offers a bright yet classy touch. With its stylish appearance and cozy air cushioning, the Nike Air 180 silhouette is the ideal medium for this partnership, providing users with both style and functionality. Beyond their eye-catching design, the Apron Records x Nike Air 180 trainers emphasize a conceptual fusion of fashion and music, highlighting the creative culture that both fields represent. The Apron Records x Nike Air Max 180 VORTEX is set to release on March 8, 2025, for $160.